Monsoon Afternoon. Written by Kashmira Sheth, illustrated by Yoshiko Jagi. Outside, I saw dark clouds roll like ocean waves across the sky. The temple flag fluttered loudly. The peacocks called out, "Twonk, twonk." The dogs woke up and stretched their legs, and the cows got up and left. Ants scurried across the ground as if the earth were one big maze. I counted the raindrops. 1, 2, 3. Soon there were too many to count. On the patio, the rain fell fast, cutting the heat in half. "Dadama, can you come out and play?" I asked. "Not now. I want to drink my tea," she said, going in the kitchen. I peeked in Mommy's room. "Please come out and play." "Not now. My patients are waiting for me at the clinic," she said, picking up her umbrella. "Papa, will you come out?" "Not now. I have to finish this story," he said, scribbling in his notepad. "Jai, let's play," I said to my brother. "Not now. I'm hungry," he said, picking up one banana and 2 guavas. I stuck my face out the door and caught some raindrops on my forehead. "What are you doing?" asked Dadaji. "Nothing," I sighed. "You look as glum as an inkpot. What's the matter?" "No one wants to go out and play with me." "Are you sure?" Dadaji's mustache shook slightly, and I saw a smile hiding in it. The old washtub was almost full of rain. "Can we sail boats?" I asked. "Of course we can," Dadaji said. We each made 3 different kinds of boats from paper. One after the other we raced our boats until they got wet and soggy and sank to the bottom of the washtub sea. "It looks like you are wearing pearl earrings," I said to Dadaji. When he shook his head they fell off, but 2 new raindrops slid in their places. By now the rain was tired. It sprinkled just one tiny drop after another. "Let's take a walk, Dadaji," I said. I looked at the ground and there were no cracks. "What happened to all the ants?" I asked. "They are all safe and snug in their homes," Dadaji replied. We stopped to watch a peacock dancing. When we drew closer, it silently spread its beautiful tail feathers. "Look how shiny the leaves of the banyan tree are now," I said, picking up a wet fallen leaf. "They are," Dadaji said, smiling. "Do you want to swing?" He lifted me up. I grabbed the roots of the banyan tree and swung back and forth. Then he lifted me onto his shoulders. "Dadaji, did you ever swing on the banyan tree?" "Oh yes, very often," he said. I tried to imagine Dadaji swinging on the banyan tree. I tried to imagine him as small as me, sitting on his Dadaji's shoulders. "Did monsoons come when you were little?" I asked. "Of course, monsoons came every year when I was little, just like it does now." "Did peacocks dance in the rain and did ants disappear when you were little?" Dadaji nodded. "They always did." "Will monsoons come when I become a Dadaji?" "Yes, it will," Dadaji replied. We picked the last few mangoes from the mango tree. Daddy Ma opened the door and called, Come in and put on dry clothes this instant before you both catch cold. Dadaji and I gave Dadama all the mangoes and hurried to our rooms to change. When we came out, Dadama was standing by the door with her hand on her hip. "Look at the mud you two have tracked in," she scolded. "Who do you think is going to clean this mess?" "We are," Dadaji and I said together. I grabbed a rag and Dadaji picked up a pail. "Did your Dadama scold you and make you clean up?" I whispered to Dadaji. "She sure did," Dadaji answered. Dadama came back with 3 steaming cups of tea. The smell of ginger and cinnamon filled the air. "What are you two talking about?" she asked. Dadaji and I scrubbed the floor extra hard. "Nothing," we replied. "Nothing at all." The end. Thanks for watching, friends. Here is a note from the author. Purchase my book at facebook.com/Tumsky and Mrs. Small/shop. Look below under Show More.
My favorite part is when he pulls those roots right out of the ground. And then he takes off down the path to make new friends.
And my favorite part is when the big bear chases him and they have to run and run and run. Yeah. I think my favorite part when he fell out of the water barrel and landed on his tummy. And oh my goodness, they broke his arm. Oh, that hurts. They gotta hurt. Oh, God, that's gotta hurt. Oh, yeah.
I liked it when Al followed him everywhere he went. Yep.
My favorite part was when the fishermen, they jumped on the boat and they swam away. Yeah, it was funny.
They did not have a flamingo in the story. Yeah. Well, Peekaboo, still liked it. Yep.
Subscribing is free. Get a free book on Patreon if you support us. We really need your help, friends, so we can keep on producing. Without you, there's no show. Subscribing is free. Click the bell for new shows. And look under Show More.
So what's up next?